Dr. Grant, I'm on 200 milligrams a week SIP. My libido is still off. Any suggestions? Lower the dose, I guess.
I would start with that, but libido is not primarily hormone driven at all.
Mhm.
I have seen so many guys who have low T in my clinic before, or health train wrecks even, and their libidos are through the roof, and vice versa. Guys who are healthy as can be, libido's never been good for them their whole life, and then everything in between. Libido, in my opinion, like I know for my own self, my wife, like, and people we talk to, like your life circumstances, your stressors, what you have on your mind, all those things are going to play way more into libido. Your relationship status, like how good is your relationship? Are there stressors with that? Um, but just work life, kids life, being busy, things that we see in general, especially again in Western countries, people are blowing and going all the time, and they're not. We do not put the effort into our general health like we should. We do not get relaxation when we should. We don't get out in the sun like we should. A lot of people just not ticking the right boxes. Food choices, I think, affected as well. So there's a litany of things and variables, and I think when people try to hone in on just no, it's got to be the testosterone. That's the one thing I need to tweak to get it up. It may be. You got to try it. The problem is you get transient effects with libido when you change your dose. A lot of guys will do that. They'll chase that dragon forever. Oh, when I ramped my dose, my libido got better for 2 weeks and then it went back. Yeah, I know. It's transient. You can't keep it like that. It's just because you perturbed the body and you pushed it out of homeostasis, and for some reason that drove libido up. I don't know why, but we see that all the time. But it doesn't last. So to get a lasting libido, the other thing is expectations. Are you expecting to have what's your expectations for your libido to be? Um, every day? You want it all the time? You want it every day? I mean, that's not natural per se. A lot of us, as we age and life does get busier, people just don't think about sex as much. And a lot of times that gets better after retirement when people again have more free time. Like when we go on vacation, sex drive is better because we're relaxed, we're enjoying, we turned off a lot of the switches that are keeping us distracted. So you have to think about all that too, is where should your libido be based on the life circumstances you have at the time. And I think people have got to start being more self-reflective about that for sure. I'm not knocking that the hormones might affect it, because I have seen where libidos were great and then you add in a hormone and all of a sudden libido seems to tank. Again, is that proof of causation? No, because other things could have been going on at that same time. But it's worth exploring. It's worth going, well, let's see if we can tweak your protocol a little bit. My libido did improve when I switched from injections to cream, but guess what? I changed other variables in my life at the same time. And I'm not like a walking horn dog. I mean, it's just I was more receptive when the time came, just because I felt better. I just felt more mentally clear with cream than injections. I didn't have the brain fog, so that made me more receptive from a libido standpoint. But it's not like I'm walking around like a teenager. You know what I mean? Like where, because that should change as we go older, when we understand the meaning of sex and the meaning of relationships. I think that libido should probably change over time too. But that's a different topic.
Great advice, Jordan. Great advice.